Today is the day and now is the how. Clean with me, Fridge Edition. Excuse the mess. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen and welcome to my refrigerator. This is what happens when you have a family of 50 precious fingers that are very hands-on when it comes to food. And as you can tell, it needs some attention. As for the fridge door, we gotta save that joy for another time. For now, let's clear some space. Gotta have cut onion, some cilantro, some chopped green chilies. Shall we speed things up a bit? Random bowl, some strawberries, another random bowl, a bag of Taco Bell. Don't know what's in there. Got a double whammy and a tub of whipped cream. Nectarines half bitten. Your future has been written in a fruit salad. And there goes the feta cheese. Lovely leftovers from breakfast, refried beans left from dinner, a mishmash salad from lunch, and a bag of fruit sounds like a winner. Served unfinished berries, tomatoes shaped like cherries, change my mind sandwich, and a random bowl of lemons. You think I need some labels? Vegan mayonnaise, a can of seltzer water, a bread-shaped bowl, and a stainless steel bowl. Sour cream, unreachable pickle jar. I'll get you later. Bag of almonds for snacking, bowl of homemade, low-carb chocolate mousse, also for snacking, chunks of dark chocolate for those sweet tooth recipes, and unsweetened coconut flakes. Flavor. Come here, you. Okay. Jar of unreachable pickle juice? Meet your match. Spatula. YouTube thick and chunky almond butter. 2 liter of Sprite, a half-full 5-pound bag of cheese, unsweetened almond milk, hazelnut creamer, Deja Vu, Pedialyte, a leaning chicken, the 100th random bowl, whipped cream in a can, a ginormous jar of pickles, chocolatey syrup, water bottle half full, spatula, would you be a dear? Thank you, heavy whipping cream, a straw wrapper, 'cause everyone needs one of those, apple cider vinegar, not for the smell, and a really big bottle of what my kids like to call skoisgas. And then we have turkey bacon, the best is from Costco, sliced sausage links, and kielbasa. Second that, and some chorizo, a single hot dog, some nicely aged cheese, a few sprinkles of mozzarella, and a random Ziploc bag with a paper towel in it. 'Cause you know you gotta keep your Ziploc bag and paper towel cold. Iceberg lettuce, green bell pepper, a piece of onion peel, a stack of cheese and lunch meat, and don't forget the feta, 'cause feta makes it better. And yet another bag of mozzarella, spinach leaf. So now with this vast array of refrigerated food so delicately displayed on this island, we could bask in the beauty of its peaks and valleys, but we must venture on to the most fun part. The dirt. Food dirt. So, let's begin by spraying our favorite cleaner. Wave your hands in the air like you just don't care. Let's be sure to rinse our rag free from debris periodically. Since our fridge is butted up against a wall, preventing the door from opening up all the way, it can be difficult to pull out the shelves, so that's why I decided to clean everything in place, at least this time. But of course, there had to be one shelf that decided to be a rebel. So fresh. Now these guys, I got them from the Dollar Tree. I liked them since they are clear so you can see what's in them, and they have lids so they can serve multiple purposes, with or without them. With these smaller ones, I stored some fruit and some veggies, just so they're not rolling around all over the place. And with the larger one, it held a pretty good amount of eggs, so I was happy about that. And guess what? I found out what was in that Taco Bell bag. We got it cleaned and organized and repackaged accordingly. Now the challenge is keeping it that way. I hope this finds you well, and I hope it brings you some inspiration and motivation to tackle your cleaning with a smile. Until next time, God bless. Homemaking is remembering what matters most is on the inside.